Now, I'm going to go ahead and explain to y'all what's going to happen if you don't pay your taxes. A lot of people probably thinking in e-commerce, bruh, look, if I don't pay my taxes, they ain't going to fire me. I'm going to turn it to Bitcoin and I'm going to go move to Dubai. Nah, boy, they going to come and get your ass, but I'm trying to tell you. They going to put your ass in collection. They going to start taking money out your bank account. They going to start garnishing your wages. Straight from your wages. They gonna start taking money straight from your check. So say you supposed to, ooh, it's been my 2 weeks. I'm supposed to get $1,200. Off the top, $750. Boom, take it just like that. IRS, give me that. Now you can get criminal charges from not paying your taxes, fam. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Now today's topic, I ain't gonna lie, it's been the topic of discussion the last, you feel me, probably since the year started. You know what I'm saying? It's been the topic of discussion. Taxes. Now, taxes, bro, that's a three-legged squirrel, bro. But let me get back to the video. Taxes are something that everybody has to do. It doesn't matter if you do them or not, you have to do them. And there will be consequences if you do not do your taxes or you do not file your taxes properly. There is penalties, there is fines, fees. The IRS will give your ass if you not paying them their money. You know what I'm saying? If you're not giving the government their money for the infrastructure that we live in, the safety that we get to live in, I ain't gonna lie, safety costs a lot of money, so that's why these taxes and shit is so damn high. Now, this channel is not political, so we aren't gonna be talking about where our government money should be spent and, you feel me, what our taxes should be done with our taxes. We just know we gotta pay them, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes they higher, sometimes they lower, depending on administration and policies that they have, but, you know what I'm saying, we gonna go over how much money in taxes I had to pay in 2024, and we'll go over what will happen to you if you do not pay your taxes. If you go ahead, open up my Shopify real quick. I'm not gonna do it the whole video, but just so y'all can see how much I made in 2024. Here, you made about 224,000. You understand? So 224,000 in gross sales last year. So with that, you know what I'm saying, y'all boys see my chat GPT. But yeah, with that, y'all know the number that we have, 224,000. So now I'm a S corporation, you understand? So I get taxed differently from a lot of single member LLCs, sole proprietorships. If you have a sole proprietorship or a single member LLC, sometimes multi-member LLC, but not really. If you have salaries and stuff paid, set up. But if you have salary set up, you might as well have an S corp. But what I'm saying is, though, if you have sole proprietorship or a single member LLC, you do have to pay self-employment tax, which is 15% of your income. So included with the already, you know, anywhere from 20 to 35% in taxes that we got to pay to the Fed, you understand? An extra 15% is added on top of that for self-employment tax if you do not register your business as an S corp and you do not have yourself on salary. Now, I'll go ahead and give y'all some game. My salary is $100 a month. I get paid $100 a month for my business. I don't have to pay a whole lot of taxes because I'm not getting paid much money. I'm only getting paid $100. Can y'all believe it? I'm only getting paid for $100 for all the work that I do. But like I tell y'all, everything, the business itself made 200-some thousand. That doesn't mean it's your money. That means that it's the business's money. Your business is a person. Treat your business like your baby. That's how you gonna keep it surviving. That's how you not gonna f up and not feed your business and give it the resources it needs. Give it the capital. Give it the, you know, inventory, everything that it needs. Stand on top of things. But let's get back to the number that I told y'all, 224,000. Now it was a little bit more, so we're gonna say 250,000 just to round it off. 250,000. So boom, an S corp has to pay 32% taxes. So let me go ahead and start my screen recording. What? Go. It started. My fault. Screen recording started. So let's say 250,000. Boom. I have to pay a 32% in taxes. So that is around $80,000 in taxes that I have to pay before write-offs. In office expenses, leasing, you understand what I'm saying, inventory, payroll, I think that could even be tax deductible. So I make 250,000, so I get taxed 32%. 32% of 250,000 is about $49,500. So that's right about just amount I had to pay in taxes. You feel me? That comes with a lot of deductions, a lot of, tax write-offs and stuff like that. But the total amount isn't major. More so because I'm saving on the personal side of things. See, if I was declared as a sole proprietorship or a single member LLC, I would have to pay an additional 15% on self-employment tax. So since I'm registered as an S corporation, I do not have to pay self-employment tax because I am an employee under my corporation, under my business. You understand what I'm saying? A W-2. I'm a W-2 employee for a corporation, so I do not have to pay self-employment tax. I do not have to pay a state income tax. I do not have to pay state income tax in Florida. Fortunately, we are one of the, I think we got 4 states in the United States where we do not have to pay self-income tax. But I do not pay personal income tax for the state of Florida because, like I said, everything else is expensive, so they save us money on the taxes. So, boom. Now, I'm going to go ahead and explain to y'all what's going to happen if you don't pay your taxes. A lot of people probably thinking in e-commerce, bruh, look, if I don't pay my taxes, they ain't going to fire me. I'm going to turn it to Bitcoin and I'm going to go move to Dubai. Nah, boy, they going to come and get your ass. But I'm trying to tell you, the IRS will come and get you if you do not pay your taxes. If you do not pay your taxes, the IRS will come and get y'all that. But, bruh, I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all some of the things that's going to happen to y'all if y'all do not pay your taxes. I had to look this up because I don't even know my goddamn self what's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? IRS, I do pay my taxes. I am a law-abiding citizen. So you see, that's why I haven't come across these problems yet. But look, number one, IRS notices and penalties. If you fail to file your taxes, you will be getting charged 5% a month up to 25% every month for the unpaid taxes that you owe. Now, let's go on to the next. Failure to pay penalty. 0.5% per month up to 25% per month, depending on how bad your ass up. A month interest on your penalty. You also have IRS interest. They charge you 8% annually, but sometimes it changes. Sometimes they can charge you 10, sometimes they can charge you 7, depending on how lucky you get, you understand? But all that is recurring every month. So you're not even paying them money that you owe them. You paying them money that just came out of the thin air. That's what interest is. Money that just comes out of thin air. It's an agreement. Boom. If you don't pay me my money, or if you want to borrow this money, you're going to have to give me a little extra on top. So, boom. If you would have just paid your taxes on time, I understand sometimes you can't pay taxes. Things happen in business. That's why they give y'all a chance with all these interests. You feel me? I understand sometimes you can't pay taxes, but if you don't pay your taxes every month, they're going to be charging you more and more money just because you owe. You feel me? It's not because you didn't pay these taxes. You feel me? It's not because you made more money and you got to owe more taxes. It's because you didn't pay them on time. You feel me? So, bruh, pay your taxes, fam. I'm trying to tell y'all, boy. I'm going to keep repeating it. Pay them. You feel me? Or work out a payment plan with them people. I'm trying to tell y'all, they will come after their money. They want their money. Look, you see what happened to the PPP? They coming after the PPP. They coming after the self-employment, not self-employment. They coming after the unemployment. They want their money back and they taking it off y'all tax returns. I've been seeing that, bruh. Y'all pay y'all taxes. Don't take money from the government unless you're gonna pay it back. You understand? These people, they gonna do it. So boom, it's gonna start off. They gonna send you letters, boy. They gonna send you letters. Hey, boom, blah, blah, blah. You owe this amount of money. Pay us. We want our money. Boom. They send y'all letters, bro. They call it CP14 notice and a CP501 notice. If you get any of those, you in hot water. Pay your damn taxes because they on your ass. And once they on your trail, they not getting off. You feel me? Just know, when they not looking for you, it's all sweet. As soon as they on your trail, they not getting off. You're not outrunning them. They gonna get their money somehow, some way, some another. You know what I'm saying? So, boom, they gonna send you their letters. Boom, let's say if you ignore them, bro, they gonna put your ass in collections. They gonna put your guys in collections. They gonna start taking money out your bank account. They gonna start garnishing your wages. straight from your wages. They're gonna start taking money straight from your check. So say you're supposed to, ooh, it's been my 2 weeks. I'm supposed to get $1,200. Off the top, $750. Boom, take it just like that. IRS, give me that. Taking it. If you ignore they letters, they not playing. They want their money and they gonna get it. You feel me? Trust me, they gonna go to your boss. They gonna go to your corporation, to your business, and tell them, look, this owe me money. Look, I understand you owe him money for the work that you work, but I need my money first, so give me that off the top. Appreciate it. Boom. And tax liens. Boom. That hurts your credit, and that it just shows up on your credit report. Boom, you got taxes, you owe taxes, you got tax liens, bruh. Nobody gonna wanna owe you money if your credit up. Look, pay your taxes. I'm trying to tell y'all boys, pay y'all taxes. Y'all gonna end up in a whole lot of shit. And I know y'all know about this one right here. Criminal charges. Now you can get criminal charges from not paying your taxes, fam. I'm gonna keep it a buck. There's a thing called tax evasion. Ew, you can get up to 5 years in federal prison for tax evasion. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. For up to 5 years, depending on how bad it is. Now I understand, bro. If we talking like a criminal right now, because sometimes, you know, I like to watch these shows, and you know, I ain't no criminal, but you know, sometimes I think in the mind of one just to see, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just doing this, the simple fact of doing this is an enhancement of 10 years. Because you got a weapon, and you aiming it at somebody with deadly force. You feel me? And you robbing them. Let's say that person got $400 in their bag. Boom. You just robbed them for $400. But you risk your life for 20 years of your life. You risk 20 years of your life. Boom. Let's say you get caught. Boom. You go to court. You get convicted. 20 years in jail. But Timmy Schmo over here in the suburbs, he's been evading taxes, invading $100 million in taxes. He has kept that money, put it in an offshore bank account in Switzerland, goes down for his charge, gets to 5 years and still has his money. Look, boom, these white collar crimes, the tax evasion, all this type of stuff, these are the biggest crimes worth the biggest amount of money. Tax evasion, fraud, stuff like that. But these people get the shortest amount of time because, look, they not putting their hands on people. They not putting that sting on people. They literally re-engineering with their brain. How can I finesse the government? How can I finesse the bank? How can I finesse these bigger people under me? Look, a lot of people, the problem with y'all is the criminals, you feel me? If you want to be a criminal, at least do it the smart way. You are trying to get somebody that's under you. You feel me? Go try to get the that's above you. But look, the that's above you, they have security, my nigga. They got security. They got all type of shit to where they aren't going to carry cash on them. You feel me? So what do? You hack their bank account. What do? You evade your taxes. What do? You do some white collar shit that you can't really go to jail for a long time. And if you got a lawyer, you probably ain't even gonna go to jail at all. You probably just gonna get probation, tell you can't touch a computer, you know, some like that. But that's my little rant at the end of the video. Boom, pay your taxes because look, you will go to jail. You will have to pay buku liens, buku extra shit, you know what I'm saying? Buku extra money that you wouldn't have to pay regardless. But pay your taxes, bro. That's what I want to talk to y'all about today. The taxes. I know that's a little thing circling in the air. But if y'all like this video, you feel me, go ahead and leave a like and a comment. And if y'all enjoy me talking, enjoy me yapping, enjoy my perspective on things, enjoy my information, leave a subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's been y'all dog. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. We out.